Hey, Mark Rice here. So today I will show some of my sketches and talk about it. Sketches is often used as a way to capture ideas, explore and practice techniques very quickly. And to get started with sketch drawing you will need a few basic materials. You can do that just with paper, a pen, you can use your digital tablet, whatever. Sketching is sketching. And before you begin, it can be helpful to have an idea of what you want to draw. This could be a specific object, or a person, or a landscape, or anything else that inspires you. And once you have an idea, start by lightly sketching the basic shapes and forms of your subject. As you go, add details and refine the lines to create a more finished drawing. Remember that sketch drawing is an expression, so don't worry too much about making everything perfect. The goal is to capture your idea's essence, rather than create a perfect drawing. Okay, so as I said before, start with basic shapes. When draw a subject, try to break it down into basic shapes such as circles, squares, rectangles and so on. This can help you get the proportions and structure of the subject right before adding more details. It will be helpful if you use a light touch with your pencil or pen to create a rough outline of your subject. And once you have the basic structure of your sketch in place, go back and refine your lines to create a more finished drawing. Okay, the next tip, experiment with different materials to see which ones you like working with best and how they can different effects to your drawings. The more you sketch, the better you will get at it. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an important part of the learning process. And here I will share with you several factors that can contribute to a good sketch drawing. So, a good sketch drawing should have a well-balanced composition, with the various elements arranged in a way that is pleasing to the eye. A good sketch drawing should capture the essence of the subject and convey a sense of movement and energy. This part is very important for me. With each of my sketches, I want to express not just my idea, but the energy of the drawing and the emotion of the drawing. When I capture that, I know that final vector drawing or painted drawing will be perfect. And try to build a personal style. And one tip for that, experimenting with different techniques and media can help you develop your own signature style. Okay, remember to take your time and be patient as you work on your sketches. It's important to focus on the process rather than the end result. And have fun as you create your own drawing. With practice, you will improve your skills and develop your own unique style. So happy drawing and stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.